Have you ever had a great idea for an app, but didn't know how to turn it into something real? Maybe you could describe the workflow, but weren't sure what the interface should look like, what screens you'd need, or how to build the first prototype. That's where Codex can help. I'm going to use Codex to generate a few visual directions, pick my favorite, and turn it into a working prototype. For this example, I'm prototyping a lightweight team feedback app called Team Signals. Codex now has access to image generation directly within the app, and I'm going to use it to generate 4 distinct visual mockups. I'm not asking for the perfect design, I'm asking for options that I can react to. Even if you're not a designer, this helps move the idea from something abstract to something visual. Now Codex has generated a handful of options: a triage board, theme workspace, action planning cockpit, and weekly health map. I can easily scroll down to see the different designs and decide if I need to make some tweaks, combine ideas, or go in a completely different direction altogether. I like this one, so I'm going to ask Codex to build it as a local prototype. Please build the second option as a local prototype using Next.js. Use subagents as needed. Now that Codex has finished building the first version of this application, I'm going to open it directly in the in-app browser. Instead of trying to describe everything perfectly up front, I can annotate what I'm seeing and have Codex make changes quickly. Codex captures your screenshots and the referenced annotations to make sure it can iterate on your designs. I can easily steer Codex, like selecting which logo I like, and the changes will show up in your browser. This is useful because a prototype changes the conversation. Instead of asking people to react to an abstract idea, you can show them something working. A product manager or designer can critique the workflow, an engineer can see the components and data model, a customer can tell you whether it matches how they actually work. If you have an app idea sitting in the back of your mind, drop it in the comments. I'd be curious what people would prototype first with a workflow like this.